Okay, so you guys know that we've talked about cool sculpting here on the set before.
Yes.
And I've never had it done, and I'm so interested in it that I actually went out to Clarity Skin to see a procedure done. Because we talk about it, but you can't really know what's going on until you actually see it going on.
Did you have it done?
I wish. Do I look like I've had it done? No, but I'm going to, so
Yes,
check
you
it out.
do.
You've heard us talk about cool sculpting in the studio before, but now we've actually brought you to Clarity Skin, where they are doing a cool sculpting procedure. So I am with Jamie, a certified cool sculpting technician, and I want you to tell us what really sets Clarity Skin apart.
Well, we are in the top of the region. We have 2 machines per room, and we have applicators to treat all FDA cleared areas such as inner thighs, outer thighs, abdomen, side flanks, lower and upper flanks. So we have done over 1,500 procedures within the year. So we treat a variety of different people, both men and women. So what we like to do when they come in is provide them a complimentary 360 assessment. So what that means is when somebody comes to us for a procedure, we want to know like their biggest problem areas. So whether it's their abdomen, inner outer thighs, wherever, we want to take a look at that area first, but then we also want to address any sort of secondary or third areas. So we'll address the primary area first and then go from there. We do have about 90% of our patients come back, whether it's to do additional sculpting in that area or whether it's to treat another area that they didn't treat the first time.
What's the #1 area you see treated?
We do have a lot of abdomens, we do have a lot of inner outer thighs, but everybody is just so different. Everybody has different concerns.
And so you mentioned if you have multiple concerns, sometimes, since you guys are the only location in Utah to have so many machines, they can get multiple areas treated at once.
Absolutely. So if they have a concern, like let's say with their abdomen, but they also have a concern like with their side flanks, we can do one section of the abdomen, one side flank at a time. And the reason why we don't do more than one applicator on the abdomen is because we want to pull as much tissue into a cup as we possibly can. So if I were to put an applicator here and another one here, I would have tissue fighting tissue, and we want optimal treatment. So that's why we do separate areas.
Can you walk me through the machine and what actually the procedure does?
So what we do prior to hooking up our client is we put in a liner. It also has some little microchips in here as well, just so that way when we do apply the applicator, if any new tissue is introduced, any sort of temperature changes, the machine will automatically turn off for patient safety. And then we also apply a cold and wet gel pad to protect the skin. So both together have protection benefits for the client.
How long does this procedure take?
So with the tissue that we can pinch and pull, the subcutaneous tissue, the treatment does take about an hour.
Well, and our cute patient today said she's just going back to work after this. So you could even do this on your lunch break and go back. It's not going to set you down for the day?
Not necessarily. Everybody is different. As long as you can go back to your normal routine, provided you feel up to it, for sure.
So you can go to our website for all of the information on Clarity Skin, and you guys have a big event coming up.
We do. May 8th, we are having a spring gala, so we will be offering discounts on a lot of our services, but we'll also be doing demos 9 to 4 that day.
So if someone's really interested in doing it, they can kind of see what's going on, get a preview of it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Well, that sounds like a great thing, and I'm pretty sure you're going to be seeing me in here pretty soon.
Well, I certainly hope so.
Thanks so much,
You're
Jamie.
welcome.
Heard that live demos at the gala is today. So go out to Clarity Skin. We'll have their information up on our website. But I mean, isn't that kind of cool to see?